Hello, welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the option and how to turn how to turn on live caption function in Samsung Galaxy S22. So where to look for our live caption function? We need to go to settings, then we are looking for accessibility menu, next hearing enhancements, and at the top we have our live caption. By default this function is turned off. If you want it on, we need to go here, and as you can see, now our live caption function is turned on. So what does it do? Live caption detects speech on your device and automatically generates captions. Also, we have a few options here that we can change. For example, languages. We can change language, hide profanity, etc. But we are now interested only in where this function is and how to enable it. So I hope this video is helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.